Where's he at? Who? Sorry. He was right behind us. He was a Crown Vic. I don't know if he just cleared. No, it should have been jumping.
You guys never seen a payphone before or what, man? What's up with the payphone? Part of your investigation?
Hey, back up, man. Just back up from us.
What the hell?
Because we're talking about our investigation.
Bro, you pulled up on us.
Yeah, we're not even coming to you. You guys are coming to us, so back up. Okay?
This guy just called me over, man.
Get out of the road. I didn't call you over, man.
Yeah, you did. You said, hey, come over here. Get out of the road, dude. You don't remember that? I hope this doesn't interfere with the report you're supposed to write about the earlier incident, man.
Here we go.
Last time I asked you guys, stand on the side of the roadway. You guys can wait right here.
Oh, so now we can get closer?
Stay right here.
All of a sudden we can get closer?
Right now.
All right.
Over there on the dirt.
What is your name, sir?
What curb?
Let's go.
What's your name, Benson?
Let's go over here on the dirt.
What's your
Talk
name?
over here on the dirt. Let's go.
Wait, what curb, man?
Let's
There's
talk
no
over
curb
on the
here.
dirt. Out of the road.
There's no curb here.
Oh, come on, you can show me. Right here, right?
Get over here, dude.
Right here.
Hey,
Right here?
What? What'd you say?
let's do your interview.
I didn't hear you, man. I didn't hear you.
What's your name?
What'd you say?
You didn't tell me your name.
I didn't hear what you said, man.
Dude, it's
Put on
too
the
dark.
glasses, man. Put on the glasses.
It's too dark, man. Hey, can you
glasses.
flash can you put the light on this guy to a day?
Nah, dude, he's already acting like a bitch. We put a light on him. He's gonna pull out his weapon.
What is your name, sir?
There's better not trump what you're supposed to do, man. You're supposed to be an honest, law-abiding cop out here doing the right thing, and who knows? Now you're gonna change your story around from the earlier incident, aren't you? Aren't you, man?
So what's your name?
It's funny how you guys only see one side of the story. All of a sudden, there was no crime committed. Look, this is my prime example right here. There was no crime committed. This guy's getting us, oh, just stand over here, don't move, don't do this. Are we detained, sir? Are we detained? It's a simple question. Are we detained? Am I free to go? Am I free to go? Yes or no?
You guys can leave.
So I'm free to go. We're not
Leave.
detained?
You can leave.
We're not detained?
Nope. Go for it.
All right, then we can stand wherever we want, man.
Okay.
Stop trying to tell us what to do, man. I don't understand why you have to try to give us instructions.
Don't be so sensitive.
What's all the instructions about, man? Why are you so sensitive?
This is sensitive.
I like your mask, though.
Why are you so
Oh, you like
sensitive,
it?
man?
Yeah, I know. A lot of people. That's what my girl said. Yeah, I like you. So what's your name, man? Seriously. Don't be so sensitive. You can tell me right here. Huh? Oh, you're the right here brother?
Yeah, he's the right here brothers.
My name is such and such.
They don't end, man. There's a lot of you guys.
I'm with the Boy Scouts of America, whoever you are with.
Is it right here or is it Mr. Tit Boy? Tit Tit. Titty Tit Tit.
So what's your name, sir?
Lopez.
Oh, Lopez, yeah.
Lopez
What's
is
your
mad, man.
Huh?
I thought you were trying to help us earlier, man. Why are you so mad?
Come on, sir.
What? What's your frustrations, man? You're not supposed to use feelings while you're doing your job.
Help with the escalate.
That's what you're trained for, to not use your feelings, man.
So what's your...
What are you using your feelings for, man? Back up, back up.
I saw your videos.
I don't care.
Antagonizing people.
I don't care. They're my
Have you ever seen my
videos.
videos?
Congratulations. Join the club.
Oh, come on.
Make sure and subscribe, crybaby.
No, for real.
I'm just asking you to stand on.
Hey, fuck off. How about you fuck off, dude?
Here, come on.
How about you fuck off? Yeah, fuck off, man.
So you haven't
Fuck
seen
off.
my
You're
videos,
not
huh?
helpful. You're not helpful. You guys are not helping anything
No,
here.
for
Get the
real,
fuck
though.
out of here.
Green,
Get out of here, crybaby.
Crybaby.
Ah, crybaby. Pinche llorón. See you later. Make sure and write up that report properly. I'm gonna be checking on you. Lopez and Gonzalez.
Lopez and
I'll be checking that report. Make sure and turn it in. And make sure and be honest on it too. I got the video evidence, remember. Pinche llorones.
Hey, Home Depot's gonna hire next time, eh? You guys will be able to work for Home Depot.
Kick rocks, man. Get out of here.
Go dry your eyes, Gonzalez.
Lopez is the one crying, man. Lopez he's the training officer and he's the one acting a fool.
Lopez is crying.
Man, maybe the leadership should be the opposite way around.
Home Depot be hiring next time, though, because you gotta make it fun. So.
Lopez using his feelings to enforce the law out here. Hey, don't use your feelings to enforce the law, Lopez. Don't use your feelings to enforce the law, man. Don't use them. You lose your feelings, you use your feelings, and you lose them, man. Put your seatbelt on. Hey, watch all my videos, not just the antagonizing ones. Pinche llorones. I saw your videos. You're antagonizing people. What a bitch. What a bitch. Hey, that's funny. This light takes forever. They're not going anywhere for a couple minutes here. Hey, make sure and watch all the videos, man. Enjoy it. Subscribe, leave a comment. And put your real name on there, Lopez, so we know it's you.
Hey, Lopez.
Crybaby. Hey, go rub your eyes somewhere else, crybaby. Later. Ooh, now you're standing in the middle of the street. What a bunch of bitches. Oh my God, those guys are crybabies for sure.
Everybody know you already, dude. What the hell?
No, those are the cops from earlier.
Yeah?
Those are the guys from earlier. Down here in the hula hula dance? Is that
Hula hula!
Do it, bro. Do the dance. Do the dance. Is that down? Hell yeah. All it's missing is the hula hoop. That's down. Man, Lopez, stop being a little crybaby, Lopez and Gonzalez. I know you guys are watching right now. You should be. You guys need to learn. You guys need to learn how to serve the public, Gonzalez and Lopez. You know those fools are watching the stream right now.
Oh, yeah.
I saw your videos. You're out there antagonizing people. Wah! That's all I hear. You're out there antagonizing people. Wah! What a crybaby. Man, when that fool started shaking his head, he turned in from a law enforcement officer to the feelings police, getting butthurt about what I'm doing in public. Just as long as I'm not breaking the law, Lopez, I could do whatever the hell I want out here. Recognize, Lopez. You gotta pass those stripes on to somebody else, Lopez, because if you're going to be using your feelings to enforce the law, then you don't belong in that position, Lopez. That's right. That's right. This guy's going to be watching all my videos now. Is that down? Lopez, leave a comment. Let us know what your real handle is here, so we know what to how to address you, Lopez. Que llorón. Lopez. What a crybaby. Oh, I saw your other videos. You're out there antagonizing people. What a bitch. Oh my God. I'm going to lose sleep over that because Lopez is such a crybaby. I might lose sleep over it.
Lopez?
Yeah, oh, I saw your other videos. You're out there antagonizing people. Lopez, you sound like an idiot. Man, they better do that report right, man, because if they don't, if they're using sour judgment against me in that police report because of the second interaction we had today, they're in big trouble. They're not supposed to judge us based on anything besides the fact of the matter. That's it. That's it. That's all their judging should be based on.
What's the name? Pelon?
Who?
What's up, Pelon?
Pelon?
Sí, that's like Pelon. Yeah, Pelon. Mama, Pelon.
Lopez made us bounce. Shut up. What a crybaby. Lopez made us bounce. Yeah, that's why they all rolled away fucking with their tails tucked between their legs. And their feelings hurt for the rest of the month. Because it's that time of the month for them, guys. When you get shot at, it's that time of the month for you. Sorry. You're not going to feel good for the next couple days. I'm just being honest. 1-800 get Charlotte.
Hey, right behind you, the line. What's wrong with that? The line's right here, you. The line's right here. The fuck? You pussy.
Damn.
Line's right there, dude. That shit happened, man.
Damn.
Hey!
You're trying to hit us, huh?
Mamon. Man, you know, what can you say about these officers that use their feelings to make lawful decisions here? Oh, I saw your other videos. You're out there antagonizing people. Fuck. No, that's not him. West Coast lied. He didn't make a U-turn.
Hey! Fuck up!
Following us now.
She's mamadas. Yeah. You want to say something?
Yeah, free potato.
Oh, furry potato. Here's a spot for you, furry.
Yeah, what's up, Fury?
Downey said he's down like you.
Yep,
he
let's
wants,
roll it right
he wants
here,
to be
dude.
down with you.
Tomorrow.
He's down with you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
do
he's
it.
down with you. Is that down, furry? He wants to come out at this place with you. Downey Transparent Eye. He said he's down. Oh, dang, like that?
Damn.
Running up on me? What the hell?
Encroaching?
Damn, you're too close, man.
I'm
6
encroaching.
feet. 6 feet, man. Making me put my mask back on. Is that down?
Western Willow, man.
Huh?
Webster and Willow.
Webster and Willow? Yeah, Webster and Willow. Get it, guys, get it. Catch you on the next one.